Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a background in CapCut video. So I've already added this video and I want to add the background. So basically what you need to do is just change the format first. So in here at the bottom, find format, and then let's say I want to make it have like TikTok or Instagram format, so 9:16, and you can see now the background is black and I want to add another background into this video. So you need to go to canvas, and there are three options. You can just use a solid color like this as the background, or you can also use a background photo like this. So you can just choose which one that fits your video the best. Okay, or you can also add your own photo as the background, or last option is you can just add some blur background like this. Okay, when you're done, just click on apply to all and then click on the check icon, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click on like. Thanks, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.